How are the campaigns there?
Well, a very good afternoon, Kisa. This is Kangundo constituency, of course, being represented by Kiengo Katadha. That is the area MP, of course, on Wiper ticket. Remember, the Machakos county is actually predominantly Wiper. If you see the 2013 outcome of the general election, this particular the particular county had 40 elected members of county assembly. Out of the total voting, 20 of them are from Wiper Democratic Party, which is under the NASA coalition. And of course, the en route of President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto in this region just portrays how important the Kamba vote in the coming general election will be. And this is just the second time. On Saturday, he was in the neighboring county Makueni, where he was actually launching projects just to make sure that they were residents of this particular Ukambani region to vote him in. But of course, at the moment, the president is at Ekalakala, that is in Masinga constituency. He will be making his way to Matu before now landing at this particular place where he is expected to hold a rally here before heading to Machakos town, where the first rally will be at Kenol before now the mega rally at Machakos Stadium. But of course, just to let you know is that this particular county, Machakos County, has a total of, as of 2017, has a total of 620,000 voters. In 2013, it had 400 plus votes. And of course, President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto managed to garner 86% of the total votes cast. That is 319,000 votes. And Raila Odinga, the NASA coalition, had 86%. And President Uhuru Kenyatta had 35,000 votes, representing 10% of the total votes in this particular region. And of course, we'll be waiting to see what the president has for the residents here. And as you can see, crowd is already milling here as we expect the president to land here at around 2 in the afternoon. And residents are just hopeful of where the president is or the goodies the president has for them in this particular region. We've seen a contingent of security officers here just to make sure that everything is smooth. Of course, there are county administrators who are here as well, waiting for the president just to make sure that everything is as planned. Remember, this is the second time the president is coming to this particular county. The county governor, Alfred Mutua, has openly declared that he will be supporting President Uhuru Kenyatta for a second term. Remember, Alfred Mutua was elected on a Wiper ticket, and he has since ditched the Wiper ticket, forming his own party, Maendeleo Chapchap, and of course declaring support for President Uhuru Kenyatta in the 2017 general election. And of course, there are several women here lining up. Perhaps we can just get a feel of... All right. Right now, maybe we can come back later when the president lands. Okay.
Jeff, thank you. We'll definitely be coming back to you as we expect the arrival of President Uhuru Kenyatta, and we'll definitely be giving you a chance to speak to the local residents, see what will determine how they vote in the presidential vote, especially in August 8th. Let's go back to Limuru in Kiambu County, where we understand the NASA presidential candidate Raila Odinga has begun addressing crowds. Let's cross over there and listen in. Alafu wale wengine wao wote wakaingia sasa.